What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Vegas Bomb, and I will show you how to make this fun cocktail. Well, really it's a drink cocktail, so Vegas Bomb. Right, to make the Vegas Bomb, guys, is the Crown Royal whiskey. Because you cannot make a Vegas Bomb without this, without the mention to the gambling. So the Crown Royal, like the Royal Flush and that, so that's why we're using this specific whiskey. Because next up ingredient is your peach schnapps, cranberry juice. We'll be mixing that together to put it into a shot glass, and then we'll top up our glass with Red Bull. So let's make the Vegas Bomb. To make a Vegas Bomb first, we'll get the Crown Royal out, because it's nice packaging. And it's quite fancy. There we are, that is what it looks like. Because it's a Canadian whiskey if you didn't know what the Crown Royal is. So the measurement for this is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Crown Royal whiskey. But first, put your ice in like this. Is 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce of peach schnapps. Next is 60ml or 2 ounces of cranberry juice, which gives it that nice red royal colour. Now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. And strain into a bowl. Yes, it does serve two, this does. Two glasses now, like this. This is what we're using, and pour the Red Bull in. Try and do it best as I can, half an hour. Yep, beautiful. Well, as you can see, our cameraman, our special guest, JSGC, has joined us behind the bar.
I'm back.
Because as it says too, I think it's only right that you just joined us, so enjoy this.
This was sent as a recommendation to us as well.
It certainly was.
We'll be, I have to do 3 of these on a live stream because City scored 3 goals against Wolves. Thanks to the lads at City Extra for that. Right, let's try.
But we do deliver on this channel eventually, so we said we do live up to our promises. Because any days like that, you've been challenged and we live up to it.
Yes.
Well, here we go. You can see why it gets its name, the Vegas Bomb. But it looks like the...
It smells nice.
Well, let's have some. But like any, like the Jaeger bomb, it's like that. You drop it in and drink it. So let's go on it. So in 3, 2, 1, chin chin. That's nice.
That's lovely.
It is. That's dangerous. That's really nice.
That's lovely.
But this is a mention to the City Extra guys, because they're Man City shots, you can see. And to you as well.
Thank you. Nice.
But yeah, that guys, it's the Vegas Bomb. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more videos like this, as we will be kicking off the Halloween series, and I will see you for our Halloween cocktails. So have a nice day, and I will see you for the next Halloween cocktail. Cheers.